This is an ion tester meter which measures the negative ion in any product. First, let's check a credit or debit card under this meter to see what reading it shows. Keep the card under the meter and start the meter. The meter has started. Let's stabilize. Now let's observe the reading. The reading is moving up very slowly. We will wait for some time to see how far this reading can go. It is almost 1 minute now and the reading has reached only up to an amount of 26. Even if you keep this card under this meter for further time, the reading will not go up above 100 or 120. Now let's remove this card and shut off the meter. Now we will do the same thing with our new Wellness Nano Health card. Place this new Wellness Nano Health card under the meter and start the meter again. Just observe the difference. When the credit or debit card was under the meter, the reading was going up so slowly, and now the reading is going on fast and consistently. We will observe this for a few seconds. It is again almost a minute now and the reading has already reached the value of around 1300. If this card is kept for another minute under this, you will see that the reading will go to around 3500 and above. This proves that the new Wellness Nano Health card looks and feels like a normal debit and credit card, but it is not a normal debit credit card. It is a card which has the presence of very good quantity of negative ion. card is a lifestyle card that softens cigarette and improves the taste of wine. We will see a small demo over here which will show how a cigarette is softened with a nano card. We will place a cigarette on this health card and one besides it on a normal surface. The cigarette has to be kept with the nano card for a minimum period of 20 minutes to see the effect of the health card. After 20 minutes, we will light both the cigarettes. Let's light the first cigarette from the health card. Now we will light the second cigarette and we will be keeping both the cigarettes so that we can collect some ash. If you are seeing this demo live, you will even come to know that the smell of the cigarette that is kept on the Nano Wellness card is much milder compared to the other. That means this is also effective if there is a passive smoker with you. We will have to wait for some time till we collect some ash. You can see the difference between both the ashes. The ash of the cigarette kept on the Nano Health card is quite lighter compared to the other cigarette. This is because this cigarette is softened due to the Nano Health card. We will see a demo to prove the presence of far infrared ray, that is FIR, in the Nano Health card. We will place 2 ice cubes, one on the Nano Health card and one near to that. And now we will observe the melting of both the ice cubes. Whenever far infrared ray is emitted, there is a little bit of heat energy created around. This makes the ice melt faster compared to a normal surface. We will keep this for a few seconds and then see the difference. Now we will lift both the ice cubes as well as the bioenergy card and see the difference in the wet surface. As you can see, the surface below the card is more wet compared to the other ice. This proves the presence of FIR in the Nano Health card.